What's up?
Okay, so now we are in Denpasar city center actually, and then we decided to go shopping. So hectic. Behind us, the kids are crying. Okay.
And as you see, it's very busy in Denpasar city, like so many cars and motorbikes behind us. But honey, be careful how you walk.
Yeah, so we just decided to go shopping, and then we found like some household are missing today, so yeah.
Yeah, and we will show you a little bit how it's going live in Denpasar city because it's very busy over here.
See?
Really
it's
busy.
Really...
Alright, so as you see, it's very busy over here, and now hustle and bustle is not anymore in the tourist areas, but only in the local areas like this one in Teuku Umar. And everywhere around there are headquarters of the big shops, like anyway, phone shop, electronic shops, even the Nike at the front, or Xiaomi or anything. Even the restaurants and the shops and Puma outlet, whatever you're looking for, probably you're gonna find in this area of Denpasar city. So as remember, this is called Teuku Umar, and as you see, it's really busy. So many cars and bikes around. It's like little bit like a big city life in Bali, right? As you see, this is also the city life. So some people are collecting the rubbish every single day just next to the shop, and also between one electronic shop, like this is like a fixing shop, there is the street food seller, and there is for example, one of the big shops with the local phones and Samsung. Of course, not paid endorsements. Here is the another one, and this is the security guy. Yo, what's up, brother? And yeah, that's how it looks the life.
Okay, so now we are still in Jalan Teuku Umar Street, and as you see that this is a kind of like the center of business in Denpasar. Behind us is DBS Bank. As this is a Singaporean bank that is the branch in Bali, especially in Denpasar. So yeah, as you see that this at this time 7 p.m. and then you know the life still very busy and many shop like normal like a city, the center of a business in Bali.
So that's how it looks, the city center live. As Winnie said, DBS, Singaporean bank. Here is the iBox headquarters. So if you are looking to buy the iPhone, MacBook or something, Apple gadget, definitely this shop. Not paid endorsement, but it's very recommended. Already bought few times. And there is the other local phones like brands like Vivo, Oppo, and I don't know, any other Chinese mobile phones. They are here. At the front is the famous Level XXI Mall, and the traffic obviously looks like this. It's quite busy, I have to say. They also have a security who are gonna help you to cross the street, because if you're gonna do it by yourself, I don't think so if you can make it. And here is the shop, and we are gonna heading into the west wing of the entrance to the Level XXI Mall, and we're gonna show you a little bit how it looks live just next to the mall, because it's quite interesting also. Check this out. This is the Grab station, pick up, drop off. By the way, they have a very nice helmet shaped station for waiting. And this is the west entrance. I didn't even make a mistake about this. This is the west entrance. As you see, it's really not so bad. And here was some construction on the one side. This is the one of the entrance. So many bikes parked around. And also here is the very interesting place, which is the skipyard. And so many local people working here. And as you can imagine, the smell is not so nice. But obviously this is the skipyard, and people are working hard over here. I feel so sorry to them, but that's how it is. Also interesting fact is the skipyard was here first, and then they start building the mall. So it's not like they make a skipyard just to the mall. And here is already the local area, some kids chilling around, and also the street food. But I'm not sure if we are gonna decide to having a street food just next to the skipyard. The smell is really bad. I'm so sorry, guys, but unfortunately the technology is not as good. You cannot feel the smell. Maybe one day. And that's the street actually just between mall. There are some offices also over here, and the lalapan.
This place is called Jalan Genteng Biru, and mostly the building here is the roof. The roof is blue actually, and as you see that there are so many street food here, and place for chill, also place for having coffee. As you see, like many street food like that on the right. Yeah.
Let's
This is
go.
how the inside Denpasar city, how the life at night. Busy.
It's quite busy actually, as Winnie said. Quite hard to park the bike even. Lucky as they have a big parking area at the other side. And also here is the south entrance to the mall and street food just next to the gate to the mall, which is pretty cool. And here everywhere, actually if you're passing this alleyway I'm facing now, they are the big parking for the car. But really actually a lot of street food, a lot of people, is quite busy, especially if you are comparing that to the any tourist areas, even to Canggu. It's so busy, kids here.
Yeah, so normally like mostly local peoples are going here to have a, you know, chill, have a drink, have a food for dinner.
Yes, and here the some Uncle Becker, quite busy. And here is even the nice cafe shop, like a touristy one. I mean, it's not tourist one, but here, check this out, Urban Lane. This looks like a Starbucks, but it's not Starbucks. It's pretty nice, I mean. So, because some people could imagine in Denpasar it's only like street food stalls or something, but they also have beautiful restaurants, and there are also some headquarters of the companies around, and so many street food stalls, and even some clothes and toy shop, many things. That's just the simple life of Denpasar city. And another street food. Actually, this one less fortunate, quiet, so sad, and some coffee kiosk even. Really, as you see, it's quite busy, and you can find many interesting things, like in the big city life. Oh, and here is that's the vaping shop because I saw 18 plus. What is it?
No, it's not a nightclub. It's just what is it?
Vape, smoking area. Yeah.
Yeah.
All right. And that's the
This one, seafood center.
street food center. Taxi driver, or I don't know. Big traffic. So many actually street food vendors here, and you have everything what you could imagine, even so many stuff. And there at the front is already one of the main streets of Denpasar. But meanwhile we focus about street food. That's more interesting. And also big apothec, which is a pharmacy, and they have a doctor. Also quite good place if you need some simple check. And also street food, as you see, quite busy. So basically we are walking all around mall. We would like to show you how it looks like, because it's obviously quite. This is actually something nice. I don't even know what is it.
Oh, this one is the lab clinic.
Wow.
It looks like a hotel.
Looks pretty nice for the clinic in Denpasar city.
Okay, let's go to the mall then, and this is the eastern part of the mall.
Yeah, let's go to the mall and we will see how's the life. This is the exit by cars, and they even have
They have a gym also.
jeep upstairs, as you see. And there at the front is some furniture shop. Long time ago was cafe here, I remember. And obviously Starbucks. Every mall in Bali, I think in Indonesia, have to have Starbucks. And that's how it looks the life. Alright, we are in the mall, and check this out. Party inside the mall. Okay, down there is so loud, so hard, but check this out. Some kinda aerobic.
Yeah, this is called Zumba aerobic.
Oh, nice. And we're gonna show you a little bit how it looks live in the mall, in case if you somehow missed the malls. Check this out, something is going here. That's the dog, but no Pikachu. I'm just looking for Pikachus. That's actually interesting, the most interesting in this mall right now. Check this out, this guy. Whoa, yo, what's up? So big, la. Winnie already dancing with him. Alright, it's the time to having some dinner.
So we're gonna have a dinner in the mall.
Yeah, because well, obviously I don't really next to the skipper. I mean, probably the food is great there, but the smell is so hard for me. Anyway, I will show you a little bit more interesting part of the mall, which is the food court. The area of the food court, they have a Bakmi GM something, and check this out. This blockages by plastic between table, pretty interesting actually. I don't know even if. Well, we're gonna have a table. Meanwhile, that's how it looks. There are some restaurants like in every mall. Pretty normal thing, and it's quite busy. Oh, here we go. We're gonna have a seat at the corner. So if you will be interested, how does it look, the menu in the mall in Bali or in Indonesia, I believe so. So this is actually noodle shop. Ordering in progress.
Minumannya yang baru ini Bu. Minum apa kami? Ini yang kosong sudah ada lagi sedangkan
Something
ini
is
masih ada gas dulunya, brosugar ini gas.
Also interesting fact is you have to pay upfront in the mall right now. Not really sure why. How much you pay?
I don't know, they said like around less than 100k, but whenever you order, you have to pay it first. So yeah, I heard that this brand is like coming from Jakarta. So yeah,
Oh.
let's see bakmi GM. I don't know how it is, how the taste is.
Let's try.
But we see that almost full of them. Actually, the table is full.
Alright, our tasty bakmi arrived. Mine with the mushrooms and chicken, and this is the soup, and this is the siomai. And sayang have also, but yours are different with the, of course, with a lot of chili. Chili must be. Smacznego, honey.
So this is my food, and this one dumpling. Selamat makan. So good, yeah.
So good. Check this out. When you're sitting, there's a very comfy sofa, by the way, and the sitting area. What I said, I think this looks like a Starbucks little bit. Check this out, Winnie. We're doing the cappuccino even, not so bad. And check this out, these cakes. So cool. 1, 2, 3, 4 people making my coffee. Not so bad. What's the freedom to eat? Oh, that's for you, freedom to eat. Coffee arrived, cake arrived. And sayang.
Alright guys, I think that's all our video today from Denpasar City, and we already shopping, but I'm so sorry that I couldn't put the video what we shop because we couldn't record it inside actually the shop. We were in Denpasar City, in Teuku Umar we shop. Okay, I think that's all our video today guys. Thank you for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.